morning, early morning, from mid-country France. We're somewhere between Bordeaux and Toulouse, in a beautiful little town, well, from a beautiful little town that my pronunciation in French wouldn't do any justice, so I might just put that in the description or title or whatever. Yeah, we stopped in a little town last night, a bit unintentionally, and that's the reason we're now on the road ridiculously early, where it's beautiful. I'm gonna put the GoPro up. I wonder if you guys can see the moon. It tilts over there. I don't know if this angle's working for you. But yeah, moon up there looking down on us. I'm hoping we're gonna come over one of these hills and see the sunrise. Okay, let's keep you orientated. But yeah, we stopped in a little town unintentionally because we've been doing this stretch, not on toll roads, which has been pleasant. You get pleasant little roads like this, and we find that summertime in France is festival time. Everyone's doing their little summer festival with, you know, well, we're not too far from Spain, so this one was like a salsa festival. Yeah, they like that theme, and yeah, they're bullfighting and dancing and all sorts of good food. So we thought, whoa, what the hell, you know? And there was even just people camping everywhere, like with our surfing festival. So we thought, what the hell, we'll just stop for a bit, check it out, which is good. It's a nice little change. But that did put us a little bit behind schedule because we did say we wanted to be at Toulouse and set off from there in the morning. So we just tucked in for like 4 hours sleep and are now on the road again.